Do you dream about achieving financial freedom and getting an early retirement? Do you often long to do things that you have always desired? Or are you simply tired of doing a 9-to-5 job? Well, in that case, I have something for you in this video that will come in handy if you seek early retirement. Welcome back here, the edutainment spot where future billionaires come and get inspired. Many people dream of retiring early, but unfortunately, for most of them, it remains a distant dream. However, there are those fortunate people who break the shackles of employment at a young age and get to live their dream life by taking early retirement. And this begs the question, how the hell did they do it? Well, let's find out. As usual, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. So let's jump right into the 10 most important things you need to do for early retirement. Number 1, define retirement. So, the thing is, retirement can mean different things for different individuals or families. For some, it would mean little work. For others, it would mean no work at all. So the first step to early retirement is to define what retirement means to you. Once you figure that out, you can plan your next step. Understanding what retirement means to you will affect your life choices accordingly and will also affect how you see and understand money. If you consider retirement to involve minimal work, then this means you will continue to work after retirement, especially if you keep yourself busy with something important. However, if retirement means sleepy mornings and time with yourself and your loved ones, well, then you have quite a task ahead of you. So whatever retirement means for you, you should devise a plan according to it. And worry not. With the right strategies and lifestyle, early retirement is possible. Number 2, sign up for your employer's retirement savings plan. You might not know it, but there is a good chance that your employer has a 401k retirement plan or similar in place. All you have to do is sign up for it. But let me put the cards on the table. Your employer's retirement savings plan is not single-handedly going to help you in an early retirement plan. In fact, these savings plans are targeted to help you retire in old age because that's when savings finally start to amount to something. But rather than discarding this opportunity, ask yourself, what have I got to lose with this? Yeah, that is right. Absolutely nothing. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for that retirement plan. Number 3, understand and plan your early retirement housing. If you plan to retire early, I think you already have a housing plan. If you don't, I would suggest you plan on it. For most people, planning their retirement house means paying off the mortgage on that home. And for others, it means major repairs and changes. For some, it would mean a house in that country or city they have always dreamed of. Well, whatever it is, it's important to start making plans if you want to retire early. This is important for your financial well-being in the post-retirement period. Number 4, lifestyle change. If you are serious about early retirement, then you have got to be serious about a change in lifestyle too. Most times, early retirement plans need a lot of hard work and discipline. And if you are not willing to put effort or make sacrifices for it, your early retirement plan might just be a distant dream. But what does a change in lifestyle exactly mean here? Well, this change typically involves a decision to stop doing certain things or cut off a larger percentage of your income towards savings. For instance, let us say that you spend $1,000 annually on your family's income. Well, planning an early retirement would mean cutting that amount and putting it in the savings account. Now that might mean you have got to settle for a cheaper vacation spot, but that also means an extra $5,000 in your account. Well, sounds like a win to me. Number 5, understand your current financial situation. How do you intend to reach your destination if you have no knowledge of where you are? Knowing your current financial status is just as important as planning for early retirement. So, are you wondering how to understand your financial situation? Well, I have come up with a list of questions just for you. So start by asking yourself, what is my current yearly income? How much have I got in savings? How much have I got in my emergency funds account? How much debt do I have to repay? What do I need to do to reduce my cost of living while maintaining a good standard of living? When you would finally be able to answer these questions, you will discover your current financial status coupled with what you need to do to retire early. Number 6, save the maximum amount you can afford. Here is the thing with savings. The earlier you start, the better it is for you. But here is a reality check regarding the saving habits of most people. They save the amount they are comfortable with rather than the maximum amount they can afford. For instance, you would save 10% of your income every month despite knowing that you can save at least 20% or more. Early retirees make the hard decision of saving as much money as possible. Only then, you can afford to live the dream retirement lifestyle that you have always desired. Number 7. Plan for your health. It is quite easy to forget about planning for your health when you plan for early retirement. It is usually your dream life and all the vacation spots you would want to be at. However, whatever you do, you must always make plans for your health. In fact, having a health emergency fund account is the right way to go. This way, you are preparing yourself against any sudden medical conditions that could threaten your retirement plan. Most importantly, if you plan to retire early, it is quite important to make the right health choices as an important person. Have you ever heard about the EAR acronym? It is exercise, eating what's healthy, and rest when needed. Keep this acronym in mind always. It will take you far in keeping you healthy. Also, having health insurance would be the right choice. Remember, if you retire early, it would also mean that you would no longer be covered by your employer's health insurance plan. So, set your priorities straight and plan for your health before anything else. Number 8. Get disciplined with your money. Is it possible to retire early without getting disciplined with your money? Of course not. If early retirement is your goal, you have got to make important money-related decisions right now. Do you spend thousands of dollars on new gadgets, fashion, or regular takeout? Well, it needs to be changed if you want to have enough funds for your early retirement. I know what you might be thinking. It is just a few dollars, it should not matter so much. Well, it does matter. And if you do not make the right money changes now, you will not have anyone else to blame but yourself in the long run. So if you plan to live your dream life after retirement, take my advice, my friend, and start getting disciplined with your money. Number 9. Invest in your financial knowledge. At the start of the video, I told you that early retirement is a distant dream for many. But by this point, you would have understood that it is a realistic goal that can be achieved. But to be honest, early retirement is almost impossible without a healthy dose of financial knowledge. What is that one thing which is common among all early retirees? Well, they have a strong repertoire of financial knowledge. So you need to take out some time and learn about investment, taxes, businesses, savings, insurance, and even what retirement entails. Do not be afraid to dive into the world of finance. There are a whole lot of things to be discovered. Believe me, this knowledge would be worth spending time on. Number 10. Build a business. What do you think is wealth building? Is it just investing and saving, or do you see it as a business of its own? Most millionaires consider investing and saving as a business, and this is what separates them from other people. Your investment portfolio is not something that you should ignore for a time being and hope to get returns sometime in the future. You have to treat it the same way you would treat a business. Consistently think of ways to improve this portfolio and keep your eyes open for new and better opportunities. But building your business goes way beyond investing. How about a business structure that can help you earn passive income while in early retirement? Sounds like a great plan, right? Well, you have got to devise a plan for the business venture that suits you the best. Remember, stock market investment is not something that is profitable for everyone. Explore ideas that suit you the best. That's all in this video. Proceed to this video about 6 businesses with high success rates that are best to invest in. Thank you.